Hi guys, my name is Dezzy Mezzy and I'm 6 years old and I'm gonna read you this book, Hiccups. Scott had hiccups. The kid was sad. Tiny asked, can what's his name again?
Scott.
Scott still one in this stack race? I cannot hit one, said Scott.
Very good.
We got to be close so they can see, okay?
Okay.
Derek got a glass of water. Water can help stop hiccups, said Derek. Hic, said Scott.
Scott
Said.
sipped. It did not.
It did not help. Hic, said Scott. Ollie. Get it a little closer, okay?
Okay.
Scott
Hit.
Scott
Hit.
he
Hit.
hit him on his back, said Megan. Parker hits
Scott.
back. Ouch! Hick, said Scott. Scott was mad at Parker.
Oh, he was very mad because he hit him. He wasn't supposed to hit him, was he?
No.
Oh.
Put a little closer to my face, just a little bit.
Okay.
I keep missing a page.
That's okay.
No, closer to my face a little bit.
Okay, like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Parker hit, patted Scott's back. Hitting did not help, said Parker. No, said Scott. It was a bad hick plan. Now to the say. Okay.
Okay.
Can I see the pictures?
Oh, yeah.
Hummed a sunset. Nana Scott hummed. He hiccuped. But it was time for the race. The kids helped Scott hop into this sack. Folded sack. The kids began to hop up the hill. Scott hiccuped. He was last to hop.
Yeah.
Scott hiccuped. He hiccuped past monkey. He hiccuped past 3 kids. The hiccups helped him go fast.
That's very good.
Scott hiccuped past the kids to the top hill. He hiccuped to the top. Scott was glad. At last, the hiccups had stopped. Now I'm going to tell you a sentence. The
Sipping.
Did Simi help Scott? No. No. What did they say?
Somebody else wrote that. Your sister wrote that. I don't know. Go to the next sentence.
No.
Did
Megan
plan
help? No. My sister just write this?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah. It's your sister's book. And she gave it to you.
Oh, when she was a little kid?
Yeah, like you.
Oh. She
Yeah.
was a... Well, I wish Daisy was my little sister again.
Really?
Yes, because I want her to go to school with me.
Oh, that would be so nice.
I miss her like a kid.
Oh, okay, read the next one. Did helping
stop the hiccups?
Did Happy help stop his hiccups?
Yes.
Yes. Yay!
And someone wants to say hi to you. Hi.
Hi.
Down. Hi.
And who are these people?
Oh, we are pets because we are talking pets.
Ah.
My name is Mezzy because you already know me. And my name is Kai, and
We can't
already.
see your face.
And you know me already because we're cousins.
Ah.
And I can take her away by putting
Look in the camera. Okay.
by putting her seatbelt.
Yeah, you always got to wear your seatbelt. Well, thank you so much for reading to us today, Dezzy Mezzy. What are you putting her in handcuffs?
No.
What are you doing? You got her in handcuffs.
Now I'll try to put her and stick to it so she can fly.
Oh, look like you were putting her in handcuffs.
I put her a play belt.
That looked like handcuffs to me. You're restraining her hands.
No, not.
You trying to take her to jail?
No.
Oh.
I'm trying to take her a fly.
You trying to take her off live, so it's time to say goodbye?
No, dude. No, it's not time to say goodbye.
Why you restraining her? That hurt her.
It don't hurt me.
Why don't you got her hands tied up?
It's not tied.
You got them you got them stuck together. You got the handcuffs on her. Why you got the handcuffs on her?
I can take them off all by myself.
Oh, okay. Okay. We'll say bye to everyone.
Bye.
And what you want everybody to do?
We gotta say all could subscribe in this video so they can join my videos.
All right, click.
Subscribe.
Say bye.
See you later.